Okay, children, moving on to question number 4 of your bar graph on page number 203 of your textbook. I just go through the sum given in your textbook. Number of persons in various age groups in a town is given in the following table. Now you can check it out in the table. The very first column is given of age group in years. That whole row will be your x-axis to be represented on the graph. I go through the years. There is a group of years, that is 1 to 14, 15 to 29, 30 to 44, 45 to 59, 60 to 74, and 75 and above. So that we have to represent it on a x-axis. Now coming on to number of persons, that you again are in the numbers, so that will be represented on y-axis. Now the number of persons in 1 to 14 group is 2 lakhs, 15 to 29 group 1,60,000, 30 to 44 group 1 lakh again 20,000, 45 to 59 group 1,20,000, 60 to 74 age group are 80,000, and 75 and above are 40,000. Now here they had given an instruction that you have to draw a bar graph and answer the questions. Here you can check it out. They had given 1 unit length is equal to 20,000. So scale is already given in the tabular form information. So we cannot use a scale of our own. What they had mentioned, we have to take the scale. Now have a look onto your graph paper, what we had gone with the graph. The scale is already mentioned in your textbook, so you have to take that scale. That is 1 centimeter or 1 unit length is equal to 20,000 number of persons. Here 20,000 I had written in two ways. First I had written 20,000, that comes how? 20 multiplied by 1000. Right, now coming on to the x-axis, we have age group in years, right, and on y-axis we had shown number of persons in thousands. Why I had written in thousands? Because on y-axis I had written 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 160, 180, 200. But these numbers are in thousands, means 20 multiplied by 1000 is equal to 20,000, 40 multiplied by 1000 is equal to 40,000. In the similar way, 120 means 120 multiplied by 1000. So your answer will be 1,20,000, which is given in your tabular form. The numbers become so big, so that is why I had written into 20, 40, 60 on y-axis, and they are in thousands. Okay, now I begin with the first information. Okay, but before going on to that, I just come on to the graph paper again. You can see from point of origin I had written 20. Why 20? That is 20,000. Children, please remember, when I had written 20, that indicates 20,000. In the heading of y-axis I had written in thousands. So after point of origin, the number is 20. So we have a multiple of 20, right? So 20,000, 40,000, 60,000, 1 lakh, 80,000, 1 lakh, 120, 1 lakh 20,000, 1 lakh 40,000, 1 lakh 60,000, 1 lakh 80,000, and the last 2 lakh, what is given information in our tabular form. Okay, now in the age of 1 to 14 we have 2 lakhs. So my bar graph, my bars end on 2 lakh. You can see on the in the age group of 1 to 14 my bar ends on 2 lakh. Then 15 to 29 I have 1,60,000, that ends on 1,60,000. In the age group of 30 to 44 it is 1,20,000, so bar ends on 1,20,000. In the age group of 45 to 59 again the bar ends at 1,20,000. In the age group of 60 to 74 it ends on 80,000, and in the 75 and above age group it ends on 40,000. So this is how I had gone with the bars. Again you can check between each and every bars there is a uniform space in between to maintain the neatness and clarity in your graph. Okay, from this graph drawn, you can check it out in the graph. I had mentioned x-axis and y-axis. what we had done in the graph is compulsorily done with the pencil and has to be mentioned compulsorily again in the bar graph paper. Okay, now coming on to the question answers. Which two age group have same population? So you know now clearly from the graph that the age group 30 to 44 and age group 45 to 59 both are having the same population, that is number of persons. They are 1,20,000 for 30 to 44 age group also and 45 to 59 age group also. Now question number B. All persons in the age group of 60 and above are called senior citizens. You know now what are senior citizens? Those who are falling in the age of 60 or more than 60. Then how many senior citizens are there in the town? Now you can check it out in the graph. We have two age groups, that is 60 to 74, right? Already going into the category of senior citizens, and 75 and above. So what is the total population or the number of persons in these two age group? For 60 to 74 we have 80,000 and 75 and above age group we have 40,000. So 80,000 plus 40,000. So total senior citizens are 1,20,000. Hopefully this is clear to you. I end my exercise 9.4 here, and check it out, the notes I had mentioned in the pic what I am going to send you. Thank you.